Now it's recording.
How is your shoulder health? Are you having little tinges of pain, discomfort that's like a fuselet that can lead to injuries? I have Indian clubs. Our shoulders are meant to be very limber. They'll move complete range of motion here. What happens is if we sit too much, then we get tight. Pecs get tight. We breathe through our chest, our back, our neck. And to prevent injuries, we need to be breathing deep into our diaphragm. And that controls the posture and reduces injuries. Now, if you don't have Indian clubs to use, I will pick these towels up. You can do this at home or anywhere, but get up and move and rotate and use your shoulders. And you can do the same thing.
Okay, now Indian towels, right?
Indian towels.
Cool, yeah. Well, look at that, man. You're doing an Indian towel dance.
And and dance, have fun with it. Rotate those hands overhead. Move your legs, your feet. Bring them in front. Have fun.
And you're moving your mouth too. Did you notice that?
I always am moving my mouth, so.
Oh, is that an Indian mouth, like the Indian towels?
Yes.
Yeah.
Twist them around, move them, get your cardio up. Move, lunge back, lunge forward. Do a skater's lunge. Squat, come up, and a whole lot more.
So if you got someone in your kitchen and you don't want them there, you could do an Indian towel workout right there, right? Yeah, there it is.
But let's work on our shoulder health to avoid injuries. I came back from bilateral shoulders, and I can tell you, healing from an injury is not fun. This is your Kettlebell Lady of Iron with Kettlebell Plus 360. Until next time.
Thanks for viewing. Buzz has been watching over us this entire time, so we got to be in our best behavior. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe. It only gets better.